What's up, guys? I'm back at it again with another video. I just want to say Merry Christmas and have some good holidays. And in the comments, tell me what you're gonna get for Christmas. And yeah, but before we start this adventure, tell, tell, tell me what's your favorite thing about Christmas. Like and subscribe so you can be a part of the GOAT gang. And let's get into it. So first, the first thing that we're gonna do is single player. So if you guys, so how, so if this gets over 600,000 likes, I'll do a face reveal in the next video. Or I'll do Friday Night Funkin' or like Among Us or something. Or I'll show you like some basketball moves or something. But yeah, 600 likes and I'm still coming up with that idea. And yeah, so drop a like, subscribe, and turn on that bell so you can be a part of the gang, bro. So this channel just started, so I don't know what bird to go to. So I'm just gonna pick my favorite, which is a macaw. And in the next video, in the next video that I will make, you guys, if the next one gets 300,000 likes, then 300,000 likes, then I'll choose a different bird, and you guys go down to the comments and tell me. So let's get this game started and let's go. Last time I did a video, I went to the island, so I'm gonna keep that alive, bro. So I can't blame me for that. So I'm just gonna drop on the thing, and yeah, let's go. So I felt like I should give you guys like content. So I like thing. Guys, my thing like glitched, and yeah, we're restarting the game. Alright, so basically we're gonna do this all over again, and I'll catch you in a few seconds. I want to see if I can get like a new top for my skateboard. Like if I get a new top for my skateboard, that'd be crazy. But I want to take the nail things out of it. Like at the top, I know that connects it to the wheels. Like if there's something else that can connect the top to the wheels, yeah, that'd be great. So yeah, we're basically gonna we are gonna go with the macaw islands, and yeah, so if I give a shout out to someone, if my friends see this shout outs to my friends. So you'll see that like it's not like a pretty graphics game like you thought it would be, but like it's a like okay game. So the basically things I want people to catch me. So look at this dude. This dude look like one of the glitch players out of Roblox. Look at this dude's legs. This dude's legs look like ham. we are flying around on the islands. Watch this. So if I get way too close to the water, it snatches me like that.
Did he do anything besides stand to that door?
So basically, we
Anything
are
besides stand to that door?
we are gonna be playing
Close,
this the whole time. We're not gonna be switching to any more games or anything. So one of the players on Farming Simulator, or thing, they actually no cap. They tried to fool the people that were watching their thing. Guess what they did? So they basically did Farming Simulator 19. They they put their dirt bikes on the back of their truck and everything like that kind of thing. But here's the dumb thing: they switched the game and changed it to a motocross game to fool the people. And it didn't fool me because I already knew what the game was, so I hopped on my Nintendo Switch because I had that game on my Nintendo Switch. And I started playing it with them. I'm like, oh. But they tried to fool their things. But that's wrong, bro. So I'm gonna stay up in this tree. So if I fly even more, I believe I could fly. I could sing. Like when I sing, I sing kind of like Chris Brown, but my sister laughs at me like that. Like she laughs at me, and I hate it, but it's kind of funny. Having the voice of a singer, like me and my friend can sing at a high voice. But this is the end of video. This is the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe, and you know what it is. Benny the Goat. Let's go. And I'll see you later in the next video. Bye.